Hi everyone! Today I will teach you through how to identify linear, exponential, and power function. You will recognize each one using analytical formulas that reveal their structure and behavior. Let's build your math instinct step by step. Linear function in slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b, where m is slope and b intercept. Here m and b real numbers. A power function can be written as y equals kx with power p. Here k and p are real numbers and k is not equals 0. Exponential function can be written in the form y equals ab with power x, where a and b are real numbers, a is not equal 0 and b greater than 0 is not equals 1. A is initial value, B is base, which determine growth or decay process. First example. Start by looking at where the variable appears. In this expression, the variable is the exponent, which tell us it is an exponential function. The initial value A equals 321 and exponential growth base equals 1.78. Exponential function. The second example, y equals 0.25 times e with power e. Here the variable is an exponent. So this is exponential function. Initial value a equals 0.25. Base b equals constant e. We remember constant e equals 2.71, exponential function. Example 3. Notice that the variable x appears in the base. This is x. And is raised to the power 2.53. The structure tells us this is power function. Next example, y equals 1.5 plus 525x. This function has the form of a sum, a constant term 1.5, plus a real number times variable x. Because it fits the pattern y equals mx plus b, so it is y equals mx plus b. Is classified as linear function. This function we can write like y equals 6.25x plus negative 3/1/10. It is slope-intercept form of linear function. So it is linear function. Next function, we can see variable x has power equals 3/4 and initial value equals 942. It's form of power function. Next function, we focus on variable and exponent. So it is exponential function with initial value a equals 4.25 and base b equals 1.44. So exponential function. Next example, we can see variable x in exponent. So exponential function with initial value a equals 129 and base b equals 9/17. Exponential function. Thank you for watching and see you soon.